What are you expecting for this report? New CEO coming in, trying to do a turnaround plan. Where are you expecting to see growth? Where are you expecting to see continued weakness?
Yeah, being direct, we're not looking for great results in the numbers. I mean, the bar is already set low. We're not saying we don't think they'll be good, but we're more interested in seeing some progression on the rebuilding of the brand. I mean, the first step in a turnaround is acknowledging issues, which they've done, then taking action, then executing on those actions. It appears we're in that action phase right now. I mean, everyone knows how we got here, but it's kind of worth mentioning again, real briefly, is just some poor management, lack of adjustments when needed the most. They pushed to that direct to consumer, and they moved away from some of the retail relationships like Dick's and Foot Locker, and they allowed competitors to enter those spaces. In the meantime, there was a lack of innovation and too much reliance on these retro traditional styles. Last year, Elliott Hill took over. He's got a clear turnaround plan, and he's been very transparent in that turning the ship around will take patience and just don't expect immediate results.
All right. To your point, stock's down about 27% over last year, so it's quite a turnaround plan. I want to ask you one other thing. We're trying to figure this out in the market. Are you trying to figure it out with Nike? Has the bottom already come in? Is this an opportunity to buy? I know you're looking at the forward PE of Nike. I think we have different numbers than you have, but right now Nike trading about 40 times forward PE. Is that an attractive valuation for this company? And I also want to point out some competitors in their forward PE. On Holdings, that makes the On sneakers just about 40, Under Armour at about 20, Deckers less than 20. So is this an attractive PE when it comes to Nike?
It's a great question. It's you look at On, you look at Deckers, you look at Nike. They're kind of three different, same category, three different types of companies. It's obviously On's in heavy growth mode at this point, and we initially liked Nike because their dividend and their growing dividend payout, which is at an all-time high. But with Nike, it's internal, and again, turning around something as massive as this is just going to take time. And I mean, that's why we're looking to see where they're at in the process. But we see inflation will eventually stabilize. Nike will adapt, and we expect it to regain some dominance here. It's we don't think investors should make a quote unquote trade ahead of the call, but I do think any time in the near future would be a decent entry point into what we believe is a long-term holding.